welcome back everybody. Now in this video we are making a crotch winged bowl from Sycamore. So on the outside of this bowl I'm going to be changing tools quite a bit. So we're going to be seeing the number one hollower, we're going to see the pro size number one hollower, the full size rougher, the mid size rougher, and the mid size finisher, all at exactly the same time. So at the moment we're starting on the 10 at the bottom and just working our way around the sides, just getting it to shape. There's the full size rougher in there at the moment. There's the full size rougher again there, just making the bowl shape. Whilst getting the wings nice and flat on the bottom. There's the detailer, just so it matches the dovetails of the jaws, and getting the little nubbin at the bottom. There we go. So I've already done most of the sanding now, so I'm just going to sand to 240 on video. I didn't want to get my hands anywhere near them wings spinning, so obviously I'm using the drill here. And just wipe that dust off with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Okay, we've got it spun round now, and now we're going to flatten off the top. So we're going to flatten this off with a mid-size finisher. There we go. Just taking a pencil now, just marking out where I want the bowl to be. Get the load going a bit faster, and we're going to go in with the mid-size number one hollower. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. There's a mid-size detailer just to get rid of that little nubbin in the middle, and the mid-size finisher. She won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. Move the tailstock over now, and we're just going to take a couple more passes just to clean up the inside of the bowl. There we go, get the number one hollower, also known as the CI5, and just take a nice couple of passes. There's the mid-sized detailer, just put a couple of accents in there. There we go, and obviously because of the wings, we're going back to drill sanding. So once again, we started off off camera, and then on camera we're going up to 240. Just going around all of the wings there. Get a bit of compressed air to blow the dust off. And a bit of denatured alcohol to get any excess that's left up there. Or methylated spirits. And finally some lemon oil. There we go. The obligatory slow-mo. Absolutely love the figure in this wood when you put the oil on. Anyway, if you made it this far, thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment and tell me what you think. And until the next one, I shall see you later. Bye bye for now.